Thank you very much, Honorable Seikie Mensa Bonsu, MP, Leader of Ghana Delegation. I now invite Right Honorable Raila Odinga, former Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya.
Your Excellency, my brother President Lazarus McCarthy Chakwera, Madam Monica Chakwera, distinguished guests, wananchi wote, hamjambo. Your Excellency, I come here with a very deep heart, and I speak on behalf of the people of Kenya. First, I want to convey the condolences from the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency William Ruto. I am accompanied here by two of my colleagues, Ambassador Elkanah Odembo and Madam Catherine Karugu, who is a former deputy governor of one of our regions. We heard this news of this tragedy with great consternation as the people of Kenya. It was a shocking news to the people. And I want to say that our people stand with the people of Malawi at this very sad hour of the loss of our brother, Mr. Chilima. Accidents are accidents. 2 months ago, the people of Kenya also witnessed a similar incident when the head of the Kenyan Defense Forces was also involved in a helicopter crash and died with 9 other people. And we know how sad and tragic it is. Mr. Chilima is a young person, the promising life. And from the records that we've seen here, he was somebody who stood for the right of the people of Malawi. And he fought and defended the right of the people and wanted to ensure that there's democracy and that there's fairness in the division of resources of your country. We share your grief. Kenya and Malawi share a common historical heritage, having been colonies of the British. Malawian people bravely fought colonialism and won independence. 60 years after independence, Malawi is showing signs of rising up. We, the people of Africa, currently suffer the effects of climate change. When I arrive here, I see that there's been drought in this part of Africa. Up there in East Africa, where I've come from, it's only 2 hours flight. There are floods. People are suffering from heavy rains and floods that are causing a lot of havoc in our part of the world. This is the effect of climate change. But Africa has actually contributed very little to this climate change. But we are suffering the consequences of climate change. Africa needs to stand together and move forward and fight the effects of climate change, and also negotiate firmly so that Africa can be able to get compensation. I want to see a day when Africa, the richest continent on the planet Earth, will be able to speak with one voice and ensure that our people get the rightful share of the wealth of this earth. We want to be able, we are not asking for charity. We are only asking for fairness in the international world market. We want to see that Africans are able to add value to our raw materials, and that the people of Africa are respected. We want to see that we are able to expand trade among our people, and that it's easier for Africans to travel within Africa, that you don't need to have a visa to come to Malawi or to go to Zambia. Africa will stand together. I want to finish once again by telling you that we stand firmly with you at this very sad hour in the history of the people of Malawi. May the Lord God rest our brother Chilima's soul in eternal peace. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, former Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya. Tipempe asogoleri amagulu osiyanasiyana amene tasonkhana muno mutithandizire kusungitsa bata kuti pamene akuluakulu akuyankhula tithe kumva zimene akulankhula. Tikudalira ino asogoleri amagulu osiyanasiyana amene tasonkhana malo ano kuti mutithandizire kusungitsa bata zinthu zathu tichite mwadongosolo, mwandondomeko, komanso tisayiwale tikuyenera kupereka ulemu kwa malemu Right Honorable Dr. Saulos Kraus Chilima, Vice President wa dziko lino la Malawi. Choncho asogoleri tikupemphani mutithandizire kusungitsa bata. I now invite His Excellency Adriano Maleyane, Prime Minister of the Republic of Mozambique, to give his eulogy.
Your Excellency Lazo Shekwere, President of the Republic of Malawi, Madame Chilema and all beloved family, Malawian citizens here present, Your Excellency Deputy President of the United Republic of Tanzania, Your Excellency former President of Malawi, ladies and gentlemen, we are here today to celebrate life and death of brother, husband, and friend who left us without saying goodbye. Today, we